ready for spring. I know there's a calendar date that says spring begins on a certain day, but there's something about when the flowers start coming up, when your bulbs start blooming, that it just feels like spring. Why can't spring be a sliding scale so that it can be spring where you are, wherever God is blessing your yard, your flower beds, or your garden? Well, I wanted to show you my first few blooms. If you were watching my channel last spring, I was so excited to share it with you, and some of y'all had some interest, so I thought I would show you the very first few bulbs that I have. You'll see these are tulips. One has color, and in the back I've even got some purple heart. And also I've got a few solar lights, which I usually sell at my auctions. It won't be long before we have a gardening themed auction. You'll let me know in the comments what you're planting in your yard, and if it is spring where you are. And I say, laissez bon temps rouler. Let the good times roll. Roll in your life. Roll in your heart. Roll in your soul. Roll in your gardening and flower beds. Roll on and on and on. May God bless you. Bye-bye.